Hermes Agent Hyperframes AI SEO is insane, free. Today, I'm going to show you how to rank on Google for free with AI SEO, and I'm going to show you the full Agent OS setup we use to do it. No camera, no editing, no skills needed, just one prompt. Your agent makes the whole video for you. Okay, so here's the deal. This whole video is about our Agent OS. That's my setup. It's an AI agent that lives right on your computer, all set up with skills, ready to do work for you. And it just got a free update. That is kind of crazy. It can now make full videos. By itself, you type one prompt, it does the rest. It writes the script, it makes the voice, it builds the video, and then you can use that video to rank on Google for free. This is huge for SEO because right now, video is one of the fastest ways to rank, not just on Google, but on AI search engines too, like ChatGPT search, like Perplexity. And when your agent does all the work, you just sit back. I'll show you the whole setup today, step by step, even if you've never made a video in your life. But first, look at this. This is real footage of our Agent OS building a video from scratch. You're watching it work right now. That's the actual demo. And I'll show you exactly how it does it in a second. But before that, let me show you some proof it works. We took one website from basically nothing, from zero to over 1,000 clicks a day, using AI SEO methods just like this. Another site we own went from 0 to 346 clicks a day, and these sites are still growing. The line keeps going up and to the right. And the best part, one video we made ranked #1 on Google in 19 hours, and it ranked inside Google's AI mode too. Same video, same fast results. So how does our Agent OS do this? Let me break it down nice and simple. It uses something called the Hyperframes skill. A skill is just a thing you add to your agent. It teaches the agent a new trick. And Hyperframes teaches it how to make videos, animated videos. With one simple prompt, it's one of the skills built right into the setup. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. While he's out helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. I'll show you how it all works in a second, but here's why this matters so much. Stay with me. When you make a video and post it everywhere, it can rank in lots of places at once. You post it on Google, on Reddit, on LinkedIn, on X, on YouTube, and each one is that's the power of putting your video in more places. Okay, let me show you how the Agent OS makes a video. It's easy. You open the agent and you give it a prompt. Here's a real one you could use right now. Say, create a beautiful video about how AI automation helps business owners save time. See? Simple. And boom, it starts making your video. You just watched it happen in the demo. Or let's say you run a community like I do. You could say, create a video about how the AI Profit Boardroom helps business owners use AI agents. And it makes the whole thing, the script, the voice, the video from that one line. Now, here's a cool part of the setup. You can also add an AI avatar, a face that talks. HeyGen built this skill. So you grab an API key from HeyGen. You plug it in and now your video has a real looking person talking in it. You could make a 5 or 6 minute video with an avatar and the quality is really, really good. It looks super real. And real quick, before I show you the rest, if you're making all this content but nobody's finding it on Google, you've got a problem. A traffic problem. And that's where SEO comes in. Because making the video is one thing, getting it to rank is another. If you want more traffic and more leads, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Just book a free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and the description. On the call, we'll give you a custom plan. We'll show you how to outrank the people you compete with. And we'll answer any questions you have. It's all free. Then you can get back to building. Okay, let me show you the rest. So let me show you what happens when you run that prompt. It's pretty wild to watch because the agent plans it all out step by step. When I ran it, it set up 7 tasks for itself, 7, all on its own. It just figured out everything it needed to do. First, it writes the script. It comes up with the whole thing. Like, here's the truth about SEO, and here's how it works. You can make this short, or you can make it long. You just tell the agent how long you want it. You're the boss. Next, it makes the voice. This is called text-to-speech. The agent turns the script into real spoken audio. You don't read anything out loud. It just talks for you. And if you don't want to use HeyGen, you can hook it up to other tools like 11 Labs for the voice, or even a local one on your own computer. Then comes the magic part. The agent writes HTML. That's the code that builds web pages. And here's the cool thing. Your agent already speaks HTML. It's like its first language. So it uses that to build the video, scene by scene. Scene 1 is the title. Scene 2 is the next bit, and it just keeps building. It made 7 scenes for my video, each one with its own look and style. After that, it takes all of it, the script, the voice, the scenes, and it turns it into an MP4 file, a real video file you can use anywhere. And the whole thing is saved right on your computer, so you can see everything it's doing. Nothing is hidden. You're in full control. Now, here's something I really love about the Agent OS. You can put it on autopilot. You can schedule tasks. So you could say, make me a video like this every day, make it look great, and do it daily. And it just does it every day without you lifting a finger. Imagine waking up to a brand new video every morning. And videos are just the start of what the Agent OS can do. Once it's installed, you can point it at all kinds of work. You can say, write me a blog post about AI automation, and it writes it. You can say, build me a landing page for the AI profit boardroom that shows the value of AI agents, and it builds it. You can have it research your keywords for you. You can have it plan your content for the whole week. You give it a job, it does the job. It's like having a worker that never sleeps and never complains. And the more skills you add to it, the more it can do for you. Now, let me show you how to make these videos rank, because that's the whole point, right? Here's what we do. We go after trending keywords. Why trending? Because they're easier to rank for. Less people are fighting for them, and they still get good search volume. So you get the best of both worlds. Easy to rank and worth ranking for. Then we put that keyword everywhere in the video, in the title, in the script, in the file description. So Google knows exactly what your video is about. No guessing. Then we post it across lots of platforms. And here's a bonus tip you'll love. You can take that same video script and turn it into a blog post. The agent writes the blog post for you too. So now you have a video and a blog post from one single prompt. Post the blog on places like Substack. And remember, more places means more chances to rank. And here's why this works so well for AI search engines. When they look for answers, they pull from lots of sources. They want to find the expert on a topic. So when you show up everywhere, on Google, on Reddit, on Substack, in videos, the AI starts to see you as the expert, and it picks you. Now, the best part of the whole setup, our Agent OS is self-improving. What does that mean? It learns. Every single time it makes a video, it looks at what it did. It asks itself, how can I make this better next time? And it writes that down as a brand new skill. So the next video is better than the last one. It just keeps getting better and better. On its own. You don't have to teach it anything. So let me recap real quick, nice and simple. You have our Agent OS on your computer. You give it one prompt, like make a video about AI automation for business owners, and it just makes it. No camera, no editing, no fancy software, no skills needed. It writes the script, it makes the voice, it builds the slides, it renders the final video, and it gets better every time you use it. That's the whole thing. One prompt, a full video, ready to rank on Google and on AI search engines. Okay, before you go, two quick things. First, if you want this exact setup, our full Agent OS, you can get it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The whole thing is a zip file, ready to install, so you don't have to figure any of it out yourself. You just plug it in and start building videos like the one you saw today. You also get the complete 30-day roadmap, all my trainings, weekly coaching calls, and 3,000 business owners you can ask anything. Second, if you want more traffic, book a free SEO strategy session with my team. On the call, we'll give you a free plan to rank on Google and AI search. We'll show you the secrets to link building, and we'll answer any questions you have. It's all free. Both links are in the comments and the description. Go grab them. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here. And remember, Julian reads every single comment. So drop a comment below and tell me what you'll build first with the Agent OS. See you in the next one.